यहाँ तो रेडी दिख रहा है। हाँ चलो चलो गुड। सो अपने पास में पूर्वी है, और कौन कौन सिंगर है अपने यहाँ पे? चलो पूर्वी, फर्स्ट स्टैंजा। सभी लोग माइक खोल के और एक लय में गाएंगे, माइक ओपन करके एक लय में गाएंगे। भौमिक सुरभि शिवांश प्लीज ओपन योर विंडो, कुशाग्र प्लीज ओपन योर विंडो, राज ओपन योर विंडो, वेदांशी ओपन योर विंडो। इसी में 40 मिनट लगाता हूँ, 40 मिनट इसी में खत्म करता हूँ। अब रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है, मैं कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ, डांट लगाने वाला था, है ना? यस, क्लोज योर आइज, जॉइन योर हैंड्स एंड वन स्टैंजा। तेरे वंदन से करते हैं दिन की शुरुआत। यस स्टार्ट, 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
तेरे वंदन से करते हैं दिन की शुरुआत,
सिंग एवरीबॉडी।
सत्यम धर्मं तेरे जीवन आधार। तेरे वंदन से करते हैं दिन की शुरुआत, सत्यम धर्मं जीवन आधार। है मानिक
विनय है तुमसे, तुम रहना हरदम,
सत्यम
धर्म जीवन, सत्यम
वद धर्मं कर जीवन आधार। विद्या के
इस मंदिर में सबका विद्याधन पाए, जिन से भी उज्ज्वल चरित्र
बनाए
विनय है तुमसे, तुम रहना हरदम। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस, ऑल राइट। देखो सारे स्माइल कर रहे हो ना, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। नहीं तो मम्मी पापा की डांट खा खा के सारे पागल हो गए हैं। मम्मी परेशान, पापा परेशान, संग में अगर भाई दीदी हो तो वो भी परेशान। नीलेश कितनी बार डांट लगती है दिन में?
सर अभी अभी मार खाई थी।
वेरी गुड, ये अच्छा काम कर रहा है तू। जैसा कितनी बार डांट लग जाती है?
सर अभी तो कम हो गया है क्योंकि मम्मी पापा स्कूल जा रहे हैं।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। अरे बाप रे, मतलब मैं सही नब्ज पकड़ता हूँ सबकी, है ना? श्रावणी तेरे साथ का पंगा कितना चल रहा है दीदी के साथ?
सर दोनों भी खाते हैं, आधी आधी।
वेरी नाइस, चलो गुड, ये होना चाहिए। इट्स ऑल नॉर्मल, इट्स नॉर्मल, है ना? वेरी गुड। चलो, सो इज देयर एनीवन हु इज गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट समथिंग और शैल आई स्टार्ट? किसी को दिया था क्या
करने को?
किसी का नहीं है, मेरे ही है?
नहीं सर, अभी कुछ नहीं।
ओके राइट, आई विल प्रेजेंट, आई विल प्रेजेंट। आज आपको एक नई चीज दिखाता हूँ। रुमिशा मजे ले रही है भैया के साथ, पंगा चल रहा है। ऑल राइट, कैन यू सी दिस?
यस सर।
वेरी नाइस। All right. This is our topic. Okay. Physical activity and leadership training. All right. So quality of a leader. शुरू कर रहा हूँ, शुरू करूँ?
यस सर।
So
Yes, sir.
quality of a leader, intelligent or intelligence. A leader must have, ये यही से है ना चैप्टर. Yes. Everybody can see?
Yes, sir.
सबको दिख रहा है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Intelligence. A leader must have sharp intellectual level and deep insight. The leaders should have that vision to think beyond intellectual level, beyond the other people able to see, and deep insight. Deep insight means able to just, what I will say, to check what is right and what is wrong. He should have that capability to distinguish between right and wrong, good or bad, deep insight, intellectual. And he should have frightenedness. He should not be afraid of anything. Intelligent leader have good thinking power and anticipation. अच्छा बेहतर सोच सके वो, और he should be able to anticipate what is going to happen if I will take this steps, and he should take quick and right decision for which intelligence is required. उसको सही डिसीजन और तेजी से लेना, right? And for taking this right decision at right time without having any fear, without having any stress, that is the quality of a leader, and that is called intelligence. According to G.D. Studrod, intelligence is the ability to take activities that are characterized by, number one, difficulty. Intelligence is the ability to take the activity that are characterized by difficulty, complexity, abstractness, economic, and adaptiveness to a goal, and social values, emergence of original, and to maintain such activities under the condition that demands a concentration of energy and a resistance to emotional forces. That is called a quality of intelligence of a good leader. If you are not able to understand anything in this definition, please speak out. Intelligence is the ability to take the activities that are characterized by. Now, what are the characteristics? Number one, difficulty. Two, complexity. Abstractness. Economic. Adaptiveness to a goal. Social values. Emergence of original, and to maintain such activities. Emergence of original. And to maintain such activities under the condition that demands a concentration of energy. पूरी ताकत उन सब चीजों को पाने में जो लगा सके, एंड रेजिस्टेंट टू इमोशनल फोर्सेस, जहां पे इमोशंस भी सामने आ रहे हो तो उनको भी कंट्रोल कर सके. दैट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ गुड लीडर. If any word which you have not understood in these two paragraphs, please ask me.
Sir, emergence of original, what does this mean?
Emergence of original, जो ट्रुथ के आसपास हो. इमर्जेंस, जो सत्यता पे आधारित हो चीजें, जहां पे हम कोई मैनिपुलेशन नहीं कर रहे. लीडर नेवर मैनिपुलेट द थिंग्स, ही जस्ट रिमेन्स ऑलवेज स्ट्रेट, राइट? जो उसका कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस आएगा. इमर्जेंस ऑफ ओरिजिनल, जो हमने काम किया उसको हम फेस करने के लिए तैयार हो, जो भी ओरिजिनल चीज हमको मिलेगी आफ्टर एफर्ट्स, दैट शुड बी एक्सेप्टेड. प्री डिटरमाइंड गोल नहीं हो सकता. Predetermined goal, it is not necessary that you are always going to achieve it. That is emergence of original. जो इमर्ज होके निकले उसको हमें एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, no matter either it is accepted to us or not, but it should be for the betterment of the larger group or larger people, right? Next, the quotation explains that how intelligence is helpful in leading a group. If you are having these all qualities, it is very important to acquire these all important points, and that is intelligence. A leader having good thinking power can reply the questions asked by the group. If a leader is intelligent, he can answer quickly to the group which the group has asked. Now, Woodworth, another physical educationist, explained thinking as mental exploration of finding out the solution. Woodworth is a physical educationist and he explained thinking as a mental explosion. Mental exploration, दिमागी तौर पे चीजों को खोज करने की वाली exploration for finding out the solution of a problem. कितना तेजी से किसी समस्या का समाधान सोच सकते हैं हम. By leading any group, reasoning quality of a leader always help the group to understand the concept effectively. जो भी लीडर बोल रहा है उस कॉन्सेप्ट को जल्दी से, कितना सिंपल वर्ड में लीडर ने अपनी बात को रखा और ग्रुप ने कितनी जल्दी एक्सेप्ट किया, ये उसकी इंटेलिजेंस, उसकी रीजनिंग, उसकी थिंकिंग के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कैन ओनली बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ गुड रीजनिंग पावर. If you want to solve any problem, then we or you must have a better quality of reasoning. सोचने समझने का शक्ति हो हमें. That has to be developed, right? Reasoning power. That is why Marrier explained that reasoning is productive thinking in which previous experiences are organized or combined in a new way to solve a problem. Now, what is reasoning? It has been explained by the Marrier, again a physical educationist, and they have explained that reasoning is a productive thinking. Productive thinking है reasoning, और कैसे है? Which previous experience are organized in the past, whatever the work you have done, and with the help of that work, whatever the experience you have gained, that has to be organized in your brain or combined in a new way to solve a problem. पुराने experiences की मदद से किसी आगे आई समस्या को बेहतर तरीके से खत्म करना या solve करना, that is called reasoning. So, in the end, we can conclude that if a leader is good in intelligence, reasoning, and thinking, he will be more effective in the implementation of the task for which he acts as a leader. So, what you have understand? Leader is good in intelligence, reasoning, and thinking, and he will be more effective in implementing of the task for which he acts as a leader. तो कोई भी टास्क को accomplish अगर हमको करना है और अगर कोई लीडर है तो उसको इन तीन चीजों की बात का याद रखना पड़ेगा: इंटेलिजेंस, रीजनिंग एंड थिंकिंग, एंड इफेक्टिव इंप्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ दैट नॉलेज towards the task accomplishment. Then we can say that the person is a good leader. Right? What we are discussing? We are discussing about quality of a leader. Now, second, the leader must have the quality of a firm determination. He should remain determined through the learning process for which he is leading. The leader must have the quality to form determination, and he should remain determined through the learning process for which he is determined. what he want to achieve. He should be always determined to achieve the target. The firmness of determination of a leader should be as strong as possible. Leader never give up. Givers never, sorry, a quotation hai mera. Quitters never wins and winners never quit. So if you want to be a leader, you should be firm in your decision, firm your dedication, firm in your determination. Then only you are able to accomplish or able to achieve your goals. So leader must be a determined person, right? A determined leader never leaves his task halfway. Leader who is the real person, who is the real leader, is a determined person. He never leaves his task in the halfway. छोड़ता नहीं है. छोड़ता नहीं है. He used to fight. He used to put all efforts, right, without any destruction. He remains always in the focus. All efforts. He never give up. The leader must not believe on himself or herself. Firm determination has good impact on the group. If you are determined, if you are having the good intentions, if you are having the good qualities of a leader, then the firm determination has good impact on the group. The group always inspired by you. Leader always inspired by the group. If the group is following the leader also get the confidence. The group follows the leader with determination. If they believe on the leader, then my leader is determined, my leader is thinking for the larger people, then group always follow towards the leader. You can take the example of Narendra Modi as a Prime Minister. कुछ भी हो जाता है, लोग ये बोलते हैं कि हाँ वो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, वो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. डिटरमाइंड, जो करना है और कैसे करना है, जिससे ज्यादा लोगों का भला होता हो. लीडर अपना भला करने में बैठ जाएगा तो फिर वो लीडर नहीं है, फिर वो ज्यादा दिन नहीं टिक पाएगा. बट अगर लीडर दूसरों के लिए अपना सब कुछ लगाता है, डिटरमाइंड है, then he always lasts for longer. For example, if the coach is determined to implement the training schedule, for example, from the sports side, if a coach wants to determine the training schedule implementation, only then he will be able to implement the task. Determination होना चाहिए. जब determination होगा, then only a coach or a teacher or a trainer can put their program on the implementation. Only then he will be able to implement the task in an effective way for progressive learning of the skills. लेकिन जब स्पोर्ट्स डे होता है, हाँ, कितना थक जाते हो एरोबिक्स करके लगातार बार करके, एक बार और डिटरमाइंड होके सारों को कराना, फिर सारे डिटरमाइंड होके करना, और उसमें जब कॉम्बिनेशन क्रिएट होता है, then the program become successful. Progressive learning of skill take place. So leader should be intelligent. Leader should be what? Sorry. Leader should be intelligent, reasoning, and thinker. Firm determination. The next one is cooperative and sympathetic behavior. A leader should be cooperative and sympathetic towards his followers. Now, who is the followers? Who believe on that leader. Such attitude can win the heart of the followers. Sympathetic अगर नहीं होगा, cooperative अगर leader नहीं होगा, अगर leader मान लीजिए हमेशा दूसरों को harass करने की बात करता है, हमेशा नेगेटिव बात करेगा, तो उसको फॉलो कौन करेगा? कोई नहीं करेगा. तो लीडर कैसा होना चाहिए? जो कोऑपरेटिव हो, दूसरों को वर्ड बोलते हैं ना, एम्पैथी. A leader should always have the empathy towards the others. If he has that, then everyone is ready to follow. Such attitude can win the heart of the followers, which will be very helpful in achieving the desired goal. If the followers are following the leader, it's become easier for a leader to acquire or to achieve the desired goal. The sympathetic and affectionate attitude of a leader is always liked by the group. Sympathetic, affectionate attitude towards the others is always liked by the others. The learning process remains interesting. Tense relationship between leader and the group always put hurdles in the process of learning. भाई आप जिसको प्यार करते हैं उसकी बात बहुत ध्यान से सुनते हैं, लेकिन जिससे थोड़ा सा भी नाराज होते हैं, थोड़ा सा किसी ने उल्टा बोल दिया आपको, if you felt hurt with some other people, then you never listen to them seriously. But if somebody is always talk to you politely, he always or she always supports you, what happens? You always give ears to them, and it has become very effective in the process of learning. So it is a duty of a teacher, it is a duty of a coach, it is a duty of a trainer that he should always try to have the good relationship with the others. They should always try to talk softly so that the process of learning, the process of interest should be maintained. The love and affection displayed by the leader is always replied in the same manner. जैसा आप दूसरों को करेंगे वैसा ही दूसरे से आप पाएंगे, है ना? If you will give love and affection to others, they will give it to you. If you show ignorance or arrogance to others, you will receive it in the same manner. So it is also third quality which a leader should have. That is called cooperative and sympathetic behavior. Next is good personality. A leader must possess good personality traits which can influence the group effectively. He should have a charming personality. A leader possesses good quality, can easily adjust himself or herself to the environment and various situations occurred in the learning process. Good pleasant personality. अब कोई आड़ा टेढ़ा खड़ा हुआ है और ढीला डाला है, बोलने में भी ढीला है, चलने में भी ढीला है, तो क्या होगा? Sometimes the people don't like that ढीला डाला personalities. So the leader should always have a good personality there, and that personality helps a leader to develop that followership. He should be ready to adjust himself in the different kind of the environment and various situations which develops in the learning process. Good personality is always admired by the group. कई बार आप देखते हो ना, कोई नए कपड़े पहन के निकलता है, कहीं कोई बढ़िया जॉगिंग वॉगिंग करता हुआ दिखता है, अरे क्या बात है. So you admire the person, you admire the people. Why? Because in first look they give the good impression to you. So dynamic personalities leaves good impression on the group. If you are having a good dynamic personality, then it always put good impression over the group. Right? The next point is knowledge of the subject. It is very important. A leader should have vast knowledge and proper understanding of the subject. Whatever the subject he taught and whatever the topic has been discussed in front of him or her, they should have some knowledge about each and everything. He should have the proper understanding of their master subject. The deep knowledge of the subject always impresses the followers. The leader must be equipped with latest knowledge and the research. Right? A leader must equipped with the latest knowledge and research. What are the changes are coming in your field, in your own field, that has to be known by the leader? What kind of the research are going on in the areas in which you are the master? If you're knowing that, if you are upgraded yourself, then you will be always admired by the others. For example, if a coach is training high jumper and is using old technique like Western roll or Caesar style or saddle, the group will not attend him with interest. On the other side, if the coach is training the high jump with the latest techniques like Frosbury, right, the trainers will automatically be motivated towards the learning. So a leader must have the latest knowledge about that activity, about that subject, equipments, datas, what kind of the performance is there in that particular given field, material references, what new literature are coming, what are the latest knowledge or information is added into that subject. This all has to be known by a leader. So leader must be having the good knowledge of subject, then only the follower is going to accept. For impressive teaching, which will be helpful to him for effectively leading. Right? Good art of oratory. A leader must have good art of oratory. He should have penalty of words to express his ideas. If you are giving a lecture, then you should have command over on your language. Whatever the idea leader want to discuss, he should be fluent with the words so that everyone is ready to listen carefully. A well-prepared speech can influence the group effectively. If you speak well, if you are able to satisfy the group desires, then it is always be effective. A leader must have command in the language and vast vocabulary so that he can easily communicate with the group. A good speech given before any match can be very helpful in the psychological motivation of the player, and it can create enthusiasm in the group. अगर कोई कोच है वो अपने बच्चों को मैच से पहले अच्छे से कोई स्पीच देता है जैसे कि पूरी टीम मोटिवेटेड होती है, तो वो मोटिवेशन इंथुसियाज्म में बदल जाता है और जाकर के फिर बच्चे बहुत अच्छा ग्राउंड पे करते हैं. The leader should be sociable. A leader should have social qualities so that he can interact with the group effectively. थोड़ा मिंगल होना आना चाहिए उसे. He should not be always be rigid. He should be extrovert by nature. Means he should have such kind of the behavior where he should not feel hesitated to interact with the others. Little bit extrovert in nature that help in understanding the mind of his followers. उसके फॉलोअर्स में, उसके बच्चों में, उसके दोस्तों में, उसके बाकी सर्कल में क्या चल रहा है लोगों के दिमाग में, he should be able to read out. A socialized leader has always sacrificing instinct for the common goal. Common goal. A socialized leader always sacrificing instinct for common goods. अगर दूसरों का भला होता है और लीडर का थोड़ा बहुत नुकसान भी होता है, he should be ready for that. This basic instinct always impresses the follower. If you have such kind of the capabilities, the followers always get impressed by you. Social qualities displayed by the leader is always liked and imitated by the group, followed by the group. Emotional balance. Emotional balance, since leader has to teach different individuals, he should be emotionally balanced and he should always have tolerance as well as calm temperature. Emotionally balanced. Calm. Ready to understand the others. Right? These all are the qualities. Impartial. Leaders should not be biased with anyone. They should always follow right, sincerity. A good leader must do his work sincerely. He should be sincere towards his work or the followers. A sincere advice is always followed by the group. अगर सही सलाह है, sincere सलाह, it is always followed by the group with great interest, because the followers feel that his sincere advice is going to help them to a great extent. Honest leader must be honest. He should never manipulate the words. He should never dishonest towards his group. Honest leader is always liked by the group. Honesty has a good impression on the group. Honest leader will always utilize the material and the funds for the better learning of the group, which is always welcomed by the group. Courageous, ready to take the decision. A good leader should be courageous by nature, which is essential to rule over the group. And he should be authoritative in nature, which can direct the group effectively towards the attainment of the goal. उसे authoritative way में काम करना आना चाहिए, so that he should be able to direct the group in the right direction for effective towards the attainment of the goal. The next is regular and punctual. Irregularities has bad impact on the group. If you are a leader and you are coming late, you are not regular, you are not able to have the access by the followers, then you are not be a leader. So a good leader must possess regularity and punctuality. There are many opportunities to lead in the field of physical education. बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती है in the field of physical education or games and sports. Like you people become the captain of the cricket team or other any games and sports. Who act wisely, sincerely, impartially, and effectively. As a captain, you have to perform these all values. You have to display this. Even leadership training is provided when a leader is appointed for warming up. आज आप कराएंगे योगा, एक एक्सरसाइज रुमसा कराएगी, एक एक्सरसाइज दिशा कराएगी, एक एक्सरसाइज शिवम कराएगा, एक एक्सरसाइज श्रावणी कराएगी. Likewise, you get that opportunity. Sometimes organization of competition also help in the development of leadership qualities. Sports day, Sahodaya meet, CBSE tournament, different duties as given to the different students, and when they follow that, they perform the duties, they become the leaders, they develop the leadership qualities. So it also help in development of leadership qualities. So आज के लिए मेरी तरफ से यही qualities of a leadership. All right. Can you open the window for 2 minutes? Anything which you want to discuss it now about leadership? Any word, any friction, anything which comes out in your mind, ask. कोई भी चीज पूछनी हो. हाँ रुमिजा बोल, कुछ बोल रही है तो भाई बार बार परेशान कर रहा लगता है तुमको.
सर वो एकदम सामने ही है, पागलपन मार रहा है.
तो मेरे सामने ले आ, मैं अपना पागलपन दिखाता हूँ उसको.
सर यहीं पे लगा हुआ है, मार रहा है जब से मुझे परेशान किए जा रहे हैं.
ओके गुड. पढ़ाई के टाइम पे बदमाशी नहीं है ना. अच्छा, कोई भी वर्ड रिलेटेड क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ लीडर, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क, यू आर फ्री टू आस्क. निशांत.
Yes, sir.
Anything which you want to ask.
सर
हाँ.
वो जैसे लीडर जो रहते हैं, क्या वो दूसरों के बातों से अफेक्ट होते हैं कि अगर जैसे सामने वाले बहुत सारे लोग उसको टीज कर रहे हैं या फिर उसको प्रेशराइज कर रहे हैं या फिर उसको मतलब नीचा दिखा रहे हैं, तो फिर
हाँ.
सर वो मतलब वो लीडर अफेक्ट होता है या नहीं होता? सर उसको
लीडर,
थोड़ा तो लगता होगा ना कि ये सब बोल रहे हैं तो ऐसा हो रहा होगा।
absolutely, you are right, you are right. Leader is always followed by the followers. If the leader does not have the followers, then he cannot be called as a leader. You are talking about the appointed leaders. मिश्रा सर ने आज दिव्या खाका को कैप्टन बना दिया सारे दिन के लिए। अब दिव्या खाका को कैप्टन तो बना दिया, बट हुआ क्या? The Divya is not able to show that leadership qualities which has been accepted by the followers. What happens? Leader gets failed. So if you are getting the opportunity, then you have to display that. अब आप दो चार बातें तो उसकी मान लेंगे दिव्या की, बिकॉज ऑफ आउट ऑफ फियर कि मिश्रा सर ने लीडर बनाया था इसको, अगर ये शिकायत करेगी तो फिर मेरी आफत आ जाएगी। सो ये एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ लीडरशिप है। अभी हम लोग आगे आने पे डिस्कस करेंगे टाइप ऑफ लीडर्स, एंड व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइप ऑफ लीडर्स, द क्वेश्चन व्हिच वी हैव रेज्ड नाउ कैन बी addressed properly at that time. So leader is always be only called as a leader when he is having the followers, and leader is always followed by the leader. Oh sorry, followed by the followers. Remember that. Until unless the pupil ready to accept A, B, C, D or X, Y, Z as a leader, then only he can be a leader. Otherwise, it is very difficult. All right? All right? Anybody else? Shivam? Harshit? Any question? पूछा करो बेटा, डिस्कशन रखा करो। और आगे से एक काम करना, जब 5 मिनट क्लास के बाकी रह जाए ना, कहना सर स्टॉप क्वेश्चन टाइम। पूर्वी ये काम तू अच्छा करेगी, ठीक है? 5 मिनट पहले बोल दिया सर क्वेश्चन टाइम, तो 5 मिनट केवल हम लोग इसी में लगाएंगे। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन प्लीज कम आउट, क्योंकि आप तो क्वेश्चन करेंगे ना तो मैं भी सीखूंगा और मैं पूछूंगा तो आप भी सीखेंगे, ठीक है? ऑलराइट, ऑल द बेस्ट, वी विल कंटिन्यू डे आफ्टर टुमारो। ऐसे ही मुस्कुराते रहिए, ऐसे ही अच्छे से रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, व्यस्त रहिए, मस्त रहिए। गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू, बाय। साई राम।
थैंक यू सर, साराम सर।
Thank you, sir.
ओके ओके, बाय 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 बाय।
Thank you, sir. Sairam, sir.
बाय 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 बाय।
Thank you, sir.
गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा।